This is DJI Mini 2 SE, and today I'll show how you can change the action for your drone once the signal is lost. So first, launch the DJI Fly app on your phone, then enter the Fly interface, go into Settings, Safety, scroll all the way to its bottom, then go into Advanced Safety Settings, and here at the Signal Loss section, select what action you would like for your drone to perform. So if your drone lost its signal, you can either just hover whatever it is, it can descend automatically to whatever point it is at currently, or by default it is set to RTH or return to home, and that's what I advise you to do also. Just select it to RTH, and well, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.